मेरा तो खुल भी नहीं रहा गाइस।
Don't you have nails?
नहीं, तुम्हारा खुद का नहीं खुल रहा।
मेरे nails. Wait one sec. What the fuck?
गाइस अगर खुल जाता है तो हम डेफिनेटली आपको ये चैलेंज दिखाएंगे। दे दो।
हो गया मेरा. Okay.
वाह, व्हाट इज दिस? ओह वाह, क्रेजी। ओके, खुल चुका है गाइस। फॉलो बहन।
Yeah.
Some ASMR.
याद है मुझे।
162. No, 0162. Wow, I'm
सबको
telling you.
पता
Oh,
चल
no.
गया गाइस, यू नो
Oh wait, wait. Now remember.
लिखो
Oh,
शॉर्ट
yeah,
फॉर्म में
no,
लिखो।
I'm writing the whole thing. Yeah.
Yeah, go like it.
1 2 3 गो। तारक मेहता
And
का।
And also,
Yeah,
I'm a
TMQC.
TMQC. Okay, half point extra.
नहीं, spend more time with Saisha.
I said Bharatanatyam, guys.
हाँ.
Because my other best friend.
The way she said, I was like, oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. स्वागत है आपका आस्था की दुनिया में. Today I'm up with another challenge with my two besties, Soha and Saisha, and this challenge is who knows me better. So let's see. They both know me for the same amount of time. So let's see who wins this challenge. इसके लिए हम brand new boards लेके आ चुके हैं. एक इसका एक मेरा है.
Look at her
और-
dedication, guys.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
please subscribe and hit the like button and follow me. Yeah, जो भी अच्छी चीजें कर दो please. इनको भी I'll tag their Insta account, so follow them.
I'm private, by the way.
Public कर दो. भी नहीं रहा guys.
Don't you have nails?
नहीं, तुम्हारा खुद का नहीं खुल रहा.
मेरे nails. Wait one sec. What the fuck?
Guys अगर खुल जाता है तो हम डेफिनेटली आपको ये चैलेंज दिखाएंगे. दे दो.
हो गया मेरा. Okay.
Wow, what is this? Oh wow, crazy. Okay, खुल चुका है guys. Aesthetic stuff guys. इस सब के लिए पैसे चाहिए होते रहते हैं तो प्लीज
How much
सब्सक्राइब
was
कर दो. ये $1 का है वैसे तो.
What?
Yeah, it's for $1.
Let's not talk about that.
So you are taking a lot of time. My subscribers are waiting, but you can't keep the viewers waiting. Follow बहन.
Yeah.
Some ASMR.
Okay,
What was
cheating
this
मत
for
करना,
though?
ठीक है? ऐसे मतलब you can keep it.
I'm cheating with you.
नहीं. Guys, ये लोग बहुत बड़े cheaters हैं. Especially ये तो बहुत बड़ी cheater
They
है.
cheated in the Pani Puri challenge.
Yeah. ये password क्या है बहन?
She said yeah.
याद भी नहीं रहा मुझे. Thank you. Okay, let's start this. खोल लो बहन.
No, I'm looking at it like, okay. Oh, this is the duster. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
The
खोल
funny
लो
thing
बहन.
is, I have no idea what the questions are going to be. So.
Of course.
And
no,
I
no.
don't know how much I know you.
Okay.
I don't even know.
Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys there are 2 rounds. In first it will be questions, and then second round will be this or that. Like, do I like this or that? So let's start with the first round.
I was just trying to pronounce.
Okay, I'll give you guys the hint. I was born in India, but in which city was I born? Not even state. Which
I
city
know that.
was I born?
I know
Okay.
that. Okay.
Let's see.
Wait, do I have to say the state? Or
No,
just
the city.
Okay.
Just the city. Okay.
I got it.
I also wrote it. Okay, let's show our answer. 1, 2, 3. What did you wrote?
Surat?
No, I was born in Baroda.
She
I
never
lived in
told us that.
I lived in Surat, but I was born in Baroda. You should know.
No,
this. Guys, they both fake friends. Guys.
No one told us this.
Surat लिख दिया.
She keeps
I
saying
told you.
Yeah, she said it really.
I used
Yeah.
to live in Surat.
Same.
Guys, दोनों के 0 points.
अरे भाई.
ये लोग पता नहीं 1-2 point भी ले आए तो I'll be proud of them. Okay, the other question is what's my full birth date with year? Like with year.
Oh, this is easy.
Yeah.
Thank you for giving me a free point. बेचते ही होनी चाहिए, बेचते ही होनी चाहिए. Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
Go.
Wait.
What did you write? Which year did you write? 4.
Yeah.
4. Yeah,
Correct.
चलो. कुछ तो पता है इन लोग को मेरे बारे में. At least birthday पता है. That's nice. वीडियो चालू तो है ना?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I can see it ticking.
Yeah.
Ticking.
Now the third question is, what's my favorite color in terms of clothes, and then in terms of aesthetics? Like both are different. In terms of
Okay.
clothes,
Oh, I have a guess.
yeah,
Yeah, same.
Clothes, and then in terms of
Aesthetic.
aesthetics.
just one, right?
In
color.
aesthetic, it's 2. Even if you get 1, I'll just give you points. Both have 1 point each, so both are tie right now.
The second color, I don't know.
I'm writing 2 colors for the aesthetic.
Yeah, I also wrote 2.
Okay, I'm just gonna guess the second.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. What did you write? Black, pink, and yellow for aesthetic?
Yeah.
I wrote white and purple.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
it.
you got the purple. I wrote black for
Oh,
clothes.
clothes.
I love wearing black
I
clothes.
know.
So you both get 1 point, and she gets 2 points.
You put
because she-
pink everywhere. Pink
No.
flowers, pink.
No, she puts
No,
purple
everywhere. Yeah, purple and blue. So you got 2.
Okay,
so
okay,
she has
blue was-
3 points and she has 2 points. So Soha is leading.
I was gonna say pink and white, but then I was like, wait, not
White तो है ही नहीं.
अच्छा,
My
मेरा
life
life
is not white. My life is black.
But I remember you saying that, oh, white looks pretty.
Yeah, I was gonna put white, but I was like, no, yellow is like more Astha. Okay.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Yellow कभी देखा है तुमने मेरे पे? Yellow?
I just thought.
ये तुम्हारा फोन बंद हो गया शायद याद है मुझे.
162. No, 0162. Wow, I'm
सबको
telling
पता
you.
चल गया. Guys, you know
Oh wait,
Soha's
wait, now
password.
remembered. Your AirPod case is purple.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
me
fair.
too.
Yeah,
Okay.
fair enough.
If you don't know this, you should die. मतलब मर जाना चाहिए तुम्हें. What's the one show I love to watch like every day, like
Is
while
this
I
even a
eat?
question?
Yeah.
Is this even a question?
Oh, bro. You should know the short form of the show. लिखो
Oh,
short
yeah,
form ही
no,
लिखो.
I'm writing the whole thing. Yeah.
Yeah, go
Okay,
like
1, 2, 3, go. तारक मेहता
And
का- Wow.
And also,
Yeah,
I wrote
TMQC.
TMQC.
Yeah.
Okay, half point extra.
नहीं दोनों को 1-1. She's
Fine.
4 and she's at 3. Okay, next question. Soha knows. Wow.
Which
Come on.
Desi person? No, does not know. I didn't watch it though, guys.
Yeah, I
बहन
never
तुम्हारा
watched it.
पासवर्ड मैं भूल गई क्या है कितना कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है.
ऐसे कितने question?
Okay, 10.
Okay.
So we are on 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are on 5th question. My comfort food after a long tiring day. Like it's an Indian food.
Okay, maybe I don't know. There's too many foods,
Like
man.
it's very basic. Like शायद तुम दोनों का भी favorite हो सकता है वो. Like comforting. Like
Okay, do you think I know this?
after long. Of course you eat it most of the days. Even you eat it most of the days. So I
Oh
think
wait, I
you-
eat it or I eat it with you?
You eat it alone. You have never ate with me that food. Like you
She
both.
is vegetarian though. I didn't
Exactly.
know.
Oh, wait, I think I know.
Okay, let's
Wait.
write it.
Oh shit, guys.
I'm not sure, but
Wait, like I need some time. Just cut this part out.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay.
I actually wrote 2 things.
Okay, if you get one right, I'll just give you the point.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm just. Can I write 2 things too then?
हाँ. कुछ भी right हो जाए, एक भी तुक्का लग जाए तुम्हारा सही तो.
Okay, this is just a guess. I don't think this
Yeah.
is right. And what was the second guess? Oh yeah.
कुछ नहीं. I'm just
Oh
looking
my
at
God.
questions.
Okay, this is gonna be wrong.
Okay, 1, 2,
this is gonna be
3,
wrong.
go. Cheese, no.
I
No,
literally-
it's dal fry jeera.
I was gonna say dal rice, so that's
I
I
was
already
dal
told
chawal.
you. It's Indian food. So
I
how
was-
it's Mexican bhel and
I
paneer.
mean, a Mexican bhel is Indian.
No, I was gonna write dal chawal.
Yeah.
Me too, I was gonna write that. I
Yeah.
swear, I was
तो
gonna
लिखा क्यों
No, I was
नहीं?
like, she can't be that basic.
Yeah, I love dal fry jeera rice.
I hate
मैं
that.
I was like,
most
she
of-
never ate it in front
Yeah,
of me.
in front of us.
That's crazy.
I don't like dal that much. Who
You're
told you
still
I
at
I don't
4
like
and
that
3.
either.
I don't like dal that much.
You don't like dal fry? Like dal
No.
is different and dal fry is different. I like dal fry.
What's the difference?
Why didn't I write dal chawal?
I
That
should
was
have wrong. Me too. I was gonna write
कोई
that.
नहीं. You don't know me that well.
Okay.
This is very basic and easy. My go-to place in USA, food place. My go-to food place
Oh.
in USA.
Okay, next.
Taco Bell, yeah. Very basic question. They know it.
I'll get 4.5 points. So.
5 and you are at 4. You are.
I
so
need
still
to
in
catch
lead.
up with 1 point.
Okay, this you guys might not know it,
Okay.
but let's see. Which dance degree do I have?
Oh. Oh yeah. Can I write 2?
No.
Why?
Just one. It's not
Like,
option.
because I remember my best
Because
friend.
ये तो बहुत basic है. Like I have
I
told
know.
you guys so many times.
I know.
If you guys don't know this,
I know because my best friend does Bharatanatyam. But I don't think because she's not South Indian.
Oh yeah, she's not South Indian.
Okay, let's show it.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
It was Bharatanatyam. No, because I keep getting confused.
Wow.
With Deepu and Astha.
I'm so much disappointed with you, Saisha, because I spent more time with Saisha.
I said Bharatanatyam,
rather
guys.
than-
Because my other best friend.
The way she said
हाँ.
I was like, oh.
I was like, अच्छी actor है ये. Point जीतने वाली है. So now she's at 6 and you are at 4.
I'm gone,
तुम
guys.
मतलब हर चैलेंज हारी हो. पानी पूरी भी ये हार चुकी थी. अब ये भी लग रहा है हार ही
Shit.
जाएगी.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna be more serious now. Okay.
Which is the one app I use the most in my phone. 24 घंटे मैं यही ऐप यूज करती हूँ. So I think
Yeah.
they should know.
No, wait, hold on. Let me just change it a little bit. I'm writing 2.
No, just one.
Just one.
Okay.
I was gonna let Bharatanatyam and Kathak then.
Just one.
I'm done.
Okay.
Insta. CapCut. CapCut. Yes. Finally. I just knew. CapCut.
I was
use
gonna write
InShot for editing.
I was gonna write VN because I saw that
No,
on your
because
phone.
CapCut was banned. So after
Yeah,
that, I
CapCut got
didn't
banned, yeah.
re-downloaded it.
Oh damn! I didn't
So
know.
I just use InShot for editing.
I didn't know CapCut was banned.
Chalo, now you are at 6 and you are at 5. So just 1 point. Okay, now this thing I have like spoke about it so many times. Like, which was the one embarrassing moment for me at UMD?
When you peed your pants?
कभी किया ही नहीं है मैंने. But this thing happened with Saisha and I told Soha. So
Okay, I know it.
I told you verbally about this.
No, I need to catch up with her. So it's okay.
I actually don't remember honestly.
This was the most embarrassing moment. Like everyone laughed at me. I myself was laughing at me. Wow, what is that sentence? I myself was laughing at me.
No, I don't remember this honestly.
Now, Soha, you don't know me that much.
Wait.
It was a game related.
Okay, wait. Now I have like faint.
Okay, no more hints. Let me catch up.
Hmm.
Let me catch up.
तुम तो थी उस time मेरे साथ,
But
so she
still.
should know.
I don't remember the whole thing, but
You can just write something.
Yeah, I would.
I just wrote one keyword. It was the bingo thing. Wow! Soha, no way! No way! उसे याद है.
You said game, but it's
Wow.
still big.
No, I just
Yeah.
wait. There was something related to bingo.
I saw I wrote too much.
Yeah.
She said yes, that she
So
finished.
no,
and
I'll tell you guys the whole incident. So the thing happened was like हम कॉलेज में गए थे बिंगो खेलने के लिए. मी, हर सिस्टर एंड थोड़े हमारे कॉमन फ्रेंड्स थे.
And the weirdo
वी वर
one.
सिटिंग ऑन टेबल एंड उन्होंने बिंगो मतलब ऐसे किया था कि मेक अ स्क्वायर विथ बिंगो में. हमने तो सिंपल बिंगो बना दिया 5 लाइन और मैं वट में ऐसे चल रही हूँ. मेरा बिंगो हो चुका है. मैं उधर जाके दिखा रही हूँ एंड दे आर लाइक नो यू आर रॉन्ग एंड एवरीवन लाफ्ड एट मी एंड दे वर आल्सो द वंस हु वर लाफिंग एट मी.
And I was the one who was like, Astha, go, Astha. go."
हाँ, बेइज्जती हो गई. मतलब इतने लोगों के सामने तुम वट में जा रही हो. गिफ्ट दो हो गया मेरा. एंड देन दे आर लाइक यू आर रॉन्ग. इतने सारे लोग हंस रहे थे मेरे पे. सो इट वाज द वर्स्ट मेमोरी.
But my best man. I'm kidding. Okay.
ओके, हाउ मेनी फ्रैक्चर्स डिड आई हैव?
What the fuck?
I don't know.
Okay, I'm guessing.
जस्ट गेस.
Okay.
एंड इट वाज लाइक हैंड, लेग, व्हाटएवर. यू कैन जस्ट राइट
Three.
दैट.
Okay.
हैंड या लेग ही
I'm
था.
guessing.
तो मैंने ऑप्शन भी दे दिया तुम्हें.
I'm guessing.
Yeah, same.
0, 2, 1.
Oh, was 0, 1,
One
2.
in right leg.
Oh, I didn't know this. I thought you never fractured. Oh, you would have told me if you fractured something.
Yeah, I did. बचपन में. So yeah, that were the first 10 questions in the first round. Now
So
it's
Soha
second
won.
round.
Oh, second
now
round,
it's second
yeah. Oh,
round.
right.
So कुल
Okay,
मिला
okay.
के
अच्छा,
you are,
अच्छा.
she's in lead by 1 point.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I'm 6 and she's 5, right?
yeah. Like 4 question तुमने गलत कर दिए. Crazy. Okay, so now
The Insta one, I actually thought like, yeah, maybe Instagram, but then I was
The
like,
Bharatanatyam one, I fucked up.
okay
my
now
acting was bad.
I'm not trusting you anymore, Soha.
now is this or that questions. Okay, pizza or pasta? Okay,
Oh,
1,
wait, I don't know actually.
2, 3, go.
I was gonna say
you don't know.
I was gonna say pizza. Then I was like, no, she likes pasta.
Saisha
So-
नहीं जानती हूँ. You are leading 7 and Saisha is at 5.
This is also 10 questions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Domino's or Pizza Hut?
What is this? Yeah.
Done.
Hmm.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh.
Dominoes.
Yeah, I know this. Yeah, I know this one.
So now 7, 6. She's at 6 and she's at 7. Wow, lead में आ गई तुम.
कुछ नहीं हो अभी भी lead में.
Mountains or beaches?
Bitches.
Beach. Mountain
You're
or
into
beach?
bitches?
हाँ, bitches. तुम दोनों हो biggest bitches. Mountain or beach?
Actually, bhai, this is kind of hard. Okay.
Yeah,
3, 2,
that's
1.
क्या हो गया
Yeah,
भाई? 7, 7. Now it's equal. अब मजा आएगा.
Yeah.
अब मजा आएगा इसे अपनी गेम में.
हाँ. अब cat person or a dog person? 1, 2, 3, go. हे भगवान!
This one I know. She loves dogs.
Wow. I'm proud of you. Wow.
She loves dogs. I know that.
Yeah.
She never talks about cats ever. She's a cat
Yeah.
person.
I am a
I
cat.
know.
You are
So,
cat person.
I'm mixed, guys. I know. I know.
So now you are at 8 and she's at 7. Night person or a morning person?
भाई ये तो कुछ
ये
नहीं
तो पता ही होना चाहिए
है. यार ये
तुम्हें.
दोनों नहीं है. Wait. Do you mean like usually or do you mean for college? Like what do you have for college?
Like usually what I prefer, like staying late up at night or waking early at morning.
Okay. Okay. I get
So
it.
night person or
Wait, I
morning
don't. Cause
person.
I feel like you're both.
No,
Right?
I'm just one. I know.
No.
I'm
You okay?
not
Which one you prefer?
Yeah, which one I prefer? लिखो.
Oh, which one you prefer? Then okay. Yeah.
लिखो. Night.
Because she's forced to be a morning person. But
Yeah,
she likes
You
it.
wake up and do puja and stuff. That's why.
No,
I
because
that's
forced.
forced.
I can
No, I
stay
got
up till
confirmed.
3.
No, that's not confirmed. I was like, you
Night.
wanted to.
was like, oh,
9
she
and
wakes
7.
up early in the morning and prays.
So you can't get this many wrong.
What am I?
9 and she's at 7.
Oh.
She's 2 person. Text person or a call person. This should be like
Yeah, this should be.
Voice
oh,
message
sorry.
person?
No,
Okay, yeah.
text or
Yeah,
call.
okay.
Text. What the
You
fuck?
call?
I'm never a call person.
But she just fucking calls me all the time.
My
Like,
phone
okay.
is on D&D always.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I'm not a
Something-
call person.
Okay. This is getting intense. 9, 8.
Okay.
Street food or restaurant? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, something. So now you are at 10 and you are at 9. Rom-com movies or action movies? Rom-com, yeah, right. So now you are at 11 and she's at 10. Last 2 guys.
Oh.
Photography or painting?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wait.
You didn't even let me
No, I know what a
photography. It's painting.
I know she
paint,
does
yeah.
painting.
So
But
now
you
you are
haven't.
at 12
You
and
didn't
are
do
at
it
10.
for like a while because
I do a
you
lot.
didn't get you didn't get time maybe.
I do a lot of painting
Okay.
at my home. Last question is, do I like gaming or like sports? Like, do I play online games more or like sports like badminton,
Yeah.
basketball,
This is like the easiest question in history.
I think so.
sports, yeah. So 13 and 11. So Saisha जीत गई, जो हमें लग रहा था कि नहीं जीतेगी।
क्या कहते हैं उसे?
बाजीगर,
बाजीगर,
जो-
बाजीगर.
हार के भी जीत जाता है, पहले हारी थी फिर जीत गई. She took lead in second round, so she knows more about like my personal life. She knows more about like choices. Like अगर ऑप्शन दिए जाए तो ये जीत जाएगी, बट अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछे जाए तो ऑफ कोर्स ये जीत
I don't
जाएगी.
know what the fuck that means.
मतलब ऑप्शंस में
Options,
you will
yeah.
just तुक्का मार and you will
No,
win.
tukka maar, I knew everything. I
But
knew
she
it.
knows more about my personal life. Like
No, I thought especially for the night and morning one, I
I'm
really
forced
This is
to
why
be
I was
a-
confused with that because she's forced to be a morning person.
Yeah.
But because she is both. She wakes up early.
Yeah.
For puja and everything.
if I like prefer what
She's
I
2
prefer,
a.m., she texts at 2 a.m.
3 a.m. I stay awake and I would love to wake up like at 11 a.m. or like.
But then
1
once
PM.
I remember I like whenever you text me I reply and then you go like, oh, you're awake all the time and I'm like,
Yeah, because you're awake all the time. Like कोई सोने का भी टाइम होता है. तुम 3 बजे
सब
भी
अलग
text
भी
करो.
they are so different.
नहीं, तुम
in this.
3 a.m. को भी टेक्स्ट करो, 7 a.m. को भी टेक्स्ट करो, 6 तो तुम सोते कब हो बहन?
No, that is true.
Yeah, I
No,
sleep.
I don't agree to what she just said, that we three are so different.
They
I can
both are
literally
same,
guess.
yeah.
No,
what
they both
Aisha
are
and Aisha,
like same in
we're very
choices.
similar.
in choices, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But not
like
waking
food
up.
choices and everything.
Yeah.
Waking up, they are completely
Yeah,
different.
that's I meant in waking up.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mm.
this was more fun than the pani puri because
Yeah.
that wasn't spicy at all.
Yeah, so true.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it for this challenge, guys. If you like this challenge, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my
No,
next
wait.
video.
Yeah,
One sec.
Also, if you guys want to know like who knows her better and her better, then let me know.
Do they even care about it?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's cute.
Oh, तुमने क्या लिखा?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. I'll write my guys autograph ले लो.
Yeah, I get it.
Asa Patel. Thanks,
Awesome.
guys.
Thanks, guys. Bye. See you guys in my next video. बंद कर दे ये.
क्या like acting चल रही थी?
But yeah, हम तुम्हारे साथ भी कर सकते हैं. You know, like
The same
who
thing.
knows Soha better, who knows Saisha better. Maybe we
But
should
you
do
know.
right now. Maybe we can just include like three questions. Like you can ask 3 questions and you can ask 3 questions. That would be so
yeah,
much
but
fun.
you're gonna answer. It's just
No, we
then
both
who's
will
gonna
answer. If you
No, but
ask,
can
we both will
But
answer.
I feel like can we do more like this or that questions for both of us? Like options one.
Yeah,
For
like
personal
no,
life.
you ask us like questions. First you start. You stay in middle and you ask us question and we both will write.
Yeah.
Like 5 questions and then you ask 5 questions.
Yeah, but can it be this or that one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now Soha is going to ask like 5 questions of this or that and let's see who wins, me or Saisha. Saisha को नहीं जीतने दूंगी मैं वरना Saisha के 2 हो जाएंगे. Like she won for mine, she can't win for her. So let's see.
Screw you.
Let's start. Okay, first.
Hide
question.
karo, Suha.
Okay. Would I like taking pictures of like scenic stuff or like city nights at night?
Okay.
Done.
Yeah.
City nights.
100% scenic. She's a scenic girl.
She just told me कि रात को इधर पिक्चर लेते हैं.
Yeah, because the lights are nice, but,
You see,
but
city
in general, I
lights,
just keep
crazy, no
taking
way.
pictures of nature and stuff, right?
Okay.
ज़्यादा कुछ बोल ही दे रही.
1-0.
Would I rather like spending time in like a museum, like a science museum, or a botanical garden?
Okay.
Oh my god, my handwriting went so bad.
I would botanical.
I like a botanical garden.
Yeah, that's good. चलो उद्घाटन तो हुआ मेरा. खाता खुला मेरा. 1-2.
Would I like shopping for cute outfits or trying out new makeup looks?
Okay.
She really likes both though. Okay. Cute outfits.
No way. इसने क्या लिखा? Cute outfits लिखा है ना?
Outfits?
Yeah.
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 Shopping cute outfits.
So it's
I
like
read everything
3-2.
Yeah. This was quite
You
easy
can
though.
just lose by you can just win by 1 point, I guess. अब नहीं छोड़ूंगी मैं तुम्हें.
Screw.
अब मैं आ चुकी हूँ गेम के अंदर.
She's in the game.
Would I like a weekend trip back home to Atlanta or staying in the DMV to go out with like friends?
Wait, this is
Just
hard.
like either Atlanta or DMV.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Fuck. Sorry. Oops. Wait, I don't know actually. I think I'm gonna get this wrong.
1, 2, 3, go. Friends.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get
she's
this
a
wrong.
friend person.
I know.
Thank God. Now it's going to be a tiebreaker.
No,
No
but you love
way.
spending time with baby Aryan.
But
No,
I
baby
don't
Aryan
know
doesn't
that
live in
Atlanta
Atlanta.
You didn't tell me that. It doesn't
No, you should know that.
I need to catch up with
Thank
someone.
bro.
That's why I said personal
Bro, this
question.
is so intense because now it's a tiebreaker. Like whosoever wins, wins.
I
Because
knew,
this is
but the
fifth
thing is, I
question.
knew I got it wrong. Why did I put it there?
I feel like you both are gonna get it.
Okay,
So ask some questions which is
Tiebreaker.
like really personal to
No,
you.
she obviously asked her would know it better.
But then
No, like personal and choices. Like
Yeah, and personal choices.
Mm.
Like a general question more.
yeah, like something like
A
you know,
botanical garden store.
नहीं कुछ भी मतलब ऐसा जो मतलब हमारे लिए difficult.
Wait, 5 questions happened?
This is the last
This is
one.
the last
Okay.
one.
Okay. try.
And you both have similar like same points.
Yeah.
I mean, try out the last one. Let's see. Maybe I'll get it wrong.
But the last one it's pretty easy.
But let's just do it first.
No, it can't be easy. Otherwise, it will be tie. We need to do a
Okay.
tiebreaker again and again. कुछ अच्छा बता दो.
Would I rather be happy getting a new house for myself or a trip to Europe?
Oh, this is hard. I feel like,
Yeah, this is so hard.
but it's fine. It's okay. I'm just gonna guess. Yeah.
How?
Yeah, house.
Yeah,
I
put
Crazy.
house, okay.
Tie. और एक question पूछ लो. If it
'Cause I know
also
Soha is
tie,
more
then
for
we
future
know
person.
both equally like so. कुछ complicated. Soha, ये तो of course will guess it. You are more a family person.
And I know like you think more about the future, like
Yeah.
what to do and everything. Europe का trip तो होता रहे.
Yeah. If I get myself a house, I can go visit Europe.
Also, I think I'm gonna go in December.
Europe. I want to go too.
बहन बताओ.
Yeah.
Time चढ़ रहा है उधर.
I
एक
never
ही question.
Okay, I think this is gonna be easier. Am I more of a breakfast person or a dinner person?
Crazy.
Wait, I don't know this actually. Okay, actually, I know it. I should know it.
1, 2, 3 go.
Right?
बंद कर दो. तुम्हारा टाई ही है. हम दोनों तुम्हें ठीक से जानते. चलो साइशा
I
बीच में
had
आ
to
जाओ.
leave out my ugly laughter at the end of the movie.
Crazy. Thank God Saisha didn't win. I'm very confident.
Because of my mistake. Wait, which one did I?
Atlanta.
Yeah, and I knew I got it wrong. I was like, I got it wrong, but I was like, okay.
Okay, now you come in between.
Okay. First question. Would I rather accidentally time travel to my own childhood birthday party or to my wedding day?
Back कैसे जा सकते हो? मतलब
It's
Yeah,
not
I think
like
it
that.
hasn't happened yet.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
it's future.
So future में जाना
Yeah,
चाहोगे?
but like specifically to my wedding day or my childhood birthday party.
Okay.
Wait, I'm confused.
I'm asking her a question.
Yeah.
But if you like really know, you really know.
चलो 1, 2,
Seriously?
3 go.
Yeah, birthday party.
Why?
I'm-
But you just said you don't want your to go back to your past.
No, but
your
this is
childhood is
yeah,
childhood.
childhood is childhood. And you know how much I love my baby photos.
Yeah, because you have it as
Crazy.
your own tradition.
Yeah.
Guys, मेरा starting में खाता नहीं था, but I'll make
I'm
it.
just a very
Yeah, she might
I don't want to live in the past, but I'm a nostalgic person. I'll always be that. Okay, sorry. She's mad at me. Maybe questions.
ये बहुत complicated है to
Would
be
I?
honest.
I'm complicated.
This was
Would I rather find $300 buried in my backyard or find a secret note written to me years ago?
No, wait. Let me get this straight. Like, the chances of which is more, or
No,
would
which
you
one
like
will I
it better?
prefer?
Okay.
Like whether
What
would I
was the first option?
find $300 in my backyard
Okay, yeah, okay, go.
or
or what? A hidden note?
yeah,
Yeah.
from a secret hidden note written to me from years ago.
Okay.
Why do I always write it long?
1, 2, 3 go.
Yeah.
Hidden note. Thank God. खुल गया guys.
I don't care
मेरा
about
खाता.
money, guys.
Yeah, I know that you don't care.
We all three don't like. If there is something emotional, we'll just go with
Yeah.
the emotional thing.
I want to know the secret, guys. Okay. Would I rather watch the sunrise on a mountain or a sunset at the beach?
Hold on.
It's so weird that I don't have to be competitive on the first one.
I'm not sure. चलो
It's
decide.
okay, yeah.
Sunset,
Yeah,
sunset.
sunset.
ये
Sunset at
sunrise
the
देखने भी गई है.
When?
No, because
You
she's a
are
morning
not friends.
person. She
I'm not a
doesn't
morning
wake
person
up.
at all. I love sunrises. And you know I love the beach.
Yeah,
Sunsets.
you love sunrises.
No,
Then why
sunsets.
did you-
No,
then
no,
why
sorry.
did you-
I love sunsets at the beach. You know I'm a beach
Crazy.
person. And I love sunsets.
लेकिन तुम
Do you
हर
think
बार
I'll wake up
trekking पे जाती हो mountains पे?
कब गई मैं
For
trekking
all
पे?
that friends. अरे नहीं गई थी क्या?
That was like once, you know, like Sweta and stuff, they asked me to go
Crazy.
watch the sunrise with them. I always say no, I never wake up.
Because
So
you need your
hard.
8 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
Now she's
Exactly.
leading. What's your point?
Asked I'm
3
disappointed.
and I'm 1.
Asked
तुम
her,
बहुत
she-
कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो. कभी ये बात अच्छा
No.
सोहा ने सुना ही नहीं है आधी बार तुम्हारी बातें.
What do you mean?
Like she talks a lot to me and now it's so confusing. Like her
How do you
present
think- how do you think
personality.
sunrise-
पर समझ ही नहीं आता.
How am I a sunrise person then?
Two more left, right?
Huh?
Two left.
Yeah,
Yeah,
two
two
left. Two questions left.
So I got all of them correct?
3 and 1. Yeah.
Yeah.
Three correct.
Would I rather talk to animals or speak every human language?
Wait. Yeah, I'm done.
हो गया.
Oh no, this one, yeah.
Finally, she
I'm
lost
not that
it.
dreamy. I'm not that fairy tale.
No, like you love animals.
I love
Thank
animals.
God.
But I'm more like,
So now
Language
it's
person.
4-2.
I want to know what you like.
No, it's 3-2.
She's so happy.
3-2. Yeah.
Wait,
now
wait,
this is
wait,
last.
Wait,
last
even if
question.
I get this wrong, oh, if I get this wrong, it's gonna be a tie.
tie. Yeah.
Okay.
I won't
I
let
don't
you
like the
win.
other ones.
I'm very competitive.
Just
Just one more.
would I rather be? Okay, this is gonna mess you guys up. I shouldn't ask that.
पूछो तो
Would I
सही.
rather be TikTok famous or Instagram famous?
Oh my.
This is gonna mess you guys
God.
up. My answer. There's nothing but confidence here, by the way.
Okay.
It's just general, like, where would I rather be famous?
Yeah.
Okay. Instagram, yeah.
TikTok तुम हमेशा
No,
बोलते
but I said it's not about me. I
about you.
That's why
ये पागल है ये लड़की. Seriously.
No,
I want to be more famous on Instagram. I'm
No, no, no.
shy to post on Instagram, but I want
You said something like once when you were describing it, you said something.
Oh yeah. I said that. It's not about being shy.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So she wants this, but
Yeah.
she's not
It's
confident.
yeah.
enough in
It's
posting
not
it.
about the practical.
Crazy. Because she always talks about TikTok.
No,
and I'm
the
like,
reason, yeah. But I want to be Instagram famous. Obviously, I have more people there. I have 40 followers on TikTok.
चलो. You won one round. You won one round. I was a tie. For me, one was tie.
You got one question right though. Soha got that wrong. Which question was that?
The animal.
The
Animal.
Crazy.
Oh,
That's it for this
Thanks for
vlog, guys.
watching.
It's super long, but if you guys like this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. अगर पैसे आएंगे तो मैं थोड़े इन लोगों को भी दे दूँगी.
And we can do a whiteboard giveaway.
Yeah.
We got for $1, selling it for 10.
Give away free में देते हैं.
I know. Okay.
चलो. Bye bye guys. See you. हो गया
It was
खत्म.
fun.
Yeah, it was so fun.